How to open AutoCAD file in
Click File,
archicad.
go to Interoperability, then click on Merge from File. Then select the file you want to open. Okay, so you merge. Then allocate where you want to put it. Okay, so this is how to open it. Now let's see how we can scale it. To scale it, you have to explode it first. You have to explode it. So you select it and you click explode. Now to resize it, you have to have one known dimension. Here's what I have. Then you go to edit, click on reshape and go to reshape. Then click on one point of your known dimension to the second point. Then you go and click the second point. Okay, so you click the first point. Then you click the second point. Then type in the known dimension. Type in your dimension and click enter. So when you take the measure tool and you measure, you get it the same dimension as it is. You see? Yes. So guys, this is how to import AutoCAD file to archicad and resize it. Okay. Yeah, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this.